Welcome to Hazel Explains Stuff. So today I have my art book from pre-K, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a little teeny orange dinosaur. I've been practicing 3 days, so I should be good at this. So I'm going to scoot it over a little. First, you definitely have to take a pencil so when you mess up, you can erase. I don't have an eraser because I just don't have one. So I'm going to start with the tail. So you can go around and stop in the middle. You could also start right here, put a little dot, and then you can go down from that, curve a little, not too far, and there. You go up, but stop and curve a little. Keep going straight, and curve a little, just a teeny bit. Go a little down, but straight, and then stop. Curve from the bottom, and then stop there. Go back to the tail and do a little circle at the top. And then go kind of straight. For the feet, you go down, straight, curve, up, a long line, and the same thing. It's okay if the other foot looks a little different than the perfect one. And then you can straight, curve a little. Here comes the tricky part. The hands have little claws. I'm going to start with the first hand. And if you guys want to start with the second hand, that's fine. But for me, I like to start by the mouth. So I do a little straight line. Go here, go down. And then I go like that. Here are the claws. Mama, can I need them more light? So you go like this, and you curve just a little. And then you go up. You can do that if you want. You can leave it. It's fine. Do it how you want. And then you connect it. Go a little down. Here comes the other one. Go up. And then go up. Done. Now, for the mouth. You do little teeth. And if you want, you don't have to go like this. You can stop and then do the other one. If you want. Good. But you can go like that. Grab the part that was stuck and then go around. And if you guys are asking, where's the tongue and the other teeth? Well, yeah. The tongue. You start from the bottom teeth. And you go a little curve and back. There's the tongue. For the eyes, you go a little oval or something. And then you do a little cross. And a little eye. And if you want, you can do little scales. Scales are these. You do here. I'll show you on this page. So scales are little teeny little cubes. So if you want, you can do that on your dinosaur, but you guys have to make sure. Now you can go over it with the black or anything that you guys have. I have my gray marker. you can stay wherever you want, but you can't stay too close to the teeth or on the teeth. I'm just going to be fast. It looks like I'm fast, I'm just copying the other line. And if you mess up, you still line up, okay? Because you can't, black can go over anything, so you can't try black, sure. But black only, maybe black can't go over the other one. Line. And you can't, you don't do a line on it, that's what they do. And then you do a line, so go up, and then finish. The teeth have to be gray. Here are your options. The teeth can be white, gray, or black. I prefer gray. I'm not going to show it that well on the video. Okay, so have fun with your dinosaur. Bye, guys.